What is database management system? System is a software, a set of softwares. Database management system is a software package with computer programs. Computer program means again software only, right? That controls the creation, maintenance and use of database. What is the main purpose? Why should we learn database management system? See, when you are admitted into a school, your admission record is telling something, and with your class teacher, some record is there. And if your class teacher updated in her register, in his register, okay, whatever details, your name, otherwise your admission number, something. So, is this name updated automatically in admission register, in office records? Automatically, is it updated? No. So you have to go to that admission department or office and you find out where is the record and then you have to update. There also you have to update, here also you have to update if any details are updated. Clear? And if you have a large database, if number of people are many, if you go to any hospital also they will maintain records, isn't it? So many records are there. Sometimes what will happen, it is very difficult to find out, search for a record, search for a particular person's details. And what they normally do, if, okay, as a human being, so when they could not find a particular name, they try to re-enter, isn't it? So then after some time, when the same person came back, right? So when the previous record was found, they must be continuing with that previous record. But least recent, whenever the patient visited the hospital, no, so that may not be synchronized with the previous content, isn't it? So these kind of practical issues are there. That is the reason we will go for, instead of manual systems, manual record keeping system, we will go for database management system.
They are all there in the class. They are doing their profile.
Another one is RDBMS. What is RDBMS? Relational Database Management System. Relational means data organized in rows and columns. So that is, in general we call it as a table, but in relational database management system the terminology is relation. What is a relation? Table. What is a table? Relation. Other name for table is a relation. So what is the full form of RDBMS? Relational Database Management System. Right. This was introduced by E.F. Codd of IBM's San Jose Research Laboratory. Most popular database currently in use are based on the relational database model only. If you are going for Oracle SQL or MySQL, so these are all based on a relational database management system only. Clear? The purpose of relational model is to provide declarative method for specifying data and queries. What do you mean by query? Query means in general question, right? So, but here that query is like a question only. Suppose write a query, in the sense write a command. Write a command in SQL to retrieve information from so and so employee table. Write a query. Write a query. We will use the term query. So hence the language is, whatever language we are using, that commands we are writing, right? That language is known as SQL or SQL. How do you pronounce SQL? SQL. SQL is structured query language. What is that language? Structured query language. Database concepts, right? Have you ever heard about any field record? Isn't it? So what is a field? Any cell in Excel sheet, if you see, na, so that is a field. Like, for a particular student, roll number is a field, name is a field, isn't it? And then marks obtained in so and so subject, that is also one field. Clear? So, and every field is having some value. A record means entire row. What is a record? Entire row. What is a field? Every cell is a field. Okay, and whatever the titles you are giving, like roll number column, roll number is given, admission number column, admission number is given. So these titles are the attributes of that particular object. These titles are the attributes of that particular object. Attribute means characteristic, isn't it? So these attribute means what? Characteristic. See how they are represented in a table. How they are represented in a table? In a column. So what is the other name for column? Attribute. What is the other name for column? Attribute. Attribute means column. Clear? And then every row indicates details of one particular object, isn't it? See, suppose if I am taking Niharika, roll number 11, Niharika, then some 33, A1, then 34, some A2, like that if I am taking, no? So that is entire record is coming. That entire record means row. Record means row in a relation. In a relation means table. Relation is a table. Record is a row. What is other name for column? Attribute. And another name for row is tuple. Another row for row is tuple. Okay, what is a tuple? Not tuple, not tuple. T-U-P-L-E. Okay, tuple is a row in a relation. Database can have more than one table, right? See, when you are linking two tables, like here with the class teacher, you have one record, that is student roll number, admission number, name of the student, and attendance, daily attendance is there, isn't it? And to find out the other details like parental information or category wise information, some other information, contact information, then with this admission number, we'll go to office, their admission register, we'll search for the admission number. If matching admission number is found, then we will take the details whatever we want, isn't it? So that is, we are linking two tables. We are linking two tables based on which attribute? Based on which attribute? Admission number. Clear? So this admission number, when you are referring to this admission number in the class attendance register and in the office admission register, is there a possibility of, or can we give two people same admission number? No. Why? If you give same admission number, that replica is not allowed, isn't it? So, but when you are doing manually, is there a possibility of repeating the admission number? Yes or no? So that we have seen, no, so many practical issues also, right? So in such cases, how to avoid? If we are having a computer system, if you are having a database management system, a software in which that condition is applied, so that if a person is, whoever the database creator, person is trying to enter the same admission number for another record, then immediately it will generate error. Okay. Similarly, roll number. Roll number of two persons cannot be same. Maybe 2-3 Abhisheks may be there in the class, isn't it? 2-3 Vaishnavis may be there in the class. Yes, na? So, but that name of the student cannot be a key field. Clear? But roll number can be a key field to find out, to resolve the issue of finding whether it is unique or not. Understood? So what is a key field now? Tell me. Key field is a field which is unique in the table. Or is there any person without roll number in the class? Is there someone newly admitted? Sudhir? You got roll number, na? Admission number? Yes, na? So, but is there any person without roll number? So that means Can we give a blank value for a roll number? No. So when it is declared as a key field, repetition is not allowed. Another condition is null values are not allowed. What is a null value? You may ask, ma'am, what is a null value? Is it 0? No. 0 is a value. See, if you are writing vocational IT exam, in IT paper, you may get 0 marks. Yes or no? Yes, no. But you may get null value. Null value is, suppose if you have like Sanskrit is there for you. Yes. German is there for you. No. Okay. Under German for Niharika, if I mentioned 0, what does it mean? She appeared for German exam and she secured 0 marks. Okay, but under German, if I mention some 0, nothing mentioned, then what does it mean? That is not applicable for that student. Clear? So what is a null value? Either it is not applicable or it is invalid value, but it is not a 0 value. Clear? Is it clear? So today what did you learn? What is a row? What is other name for row? Tuple. Record. What is attribute? Column. What is other name for table? Relation. So what is RDBMS? Relational Database Management System. What is a field? Cell. Okay, what is the value given to field? That is like your roll number, name, whatever value we are entering. That is the data, raw facts and figures. Clear? This much is clear? Look at the following example of student database. Here name, class, section. Class is standard and section is mentioned. Ram 10A, Ravi 10A, Ravi 10A, Sanjay 10B. Is there any error in this table? Yes. So what is the error? Two Ravis possibility is there or no? Yes. But can you distinguish here based on this table? Can you distinguish? No, we cannot distinguish. So for that reason, what should we have? We should have a roll number. See, roll number, name, standard. See where you can distinguish second row Ravi with third row Ravi. Second row Ravi is given roll number 20. Third row Ravi is given roll number 21. So that means it indicates in class 10th A, there are two people named as Ravi with roll number 20 and 21. So from this, what can you justify? Which one is the key field? Roll number is the key field. Can name be a key field? No. No. Is it clear? So what is the key here? Key is an attribute. How do you define now? An attribute or a set of attributes which uniquely identifies tuples in a relation. Do I repeat? So what is the key? Key is an attribute or set of attributes that uniquely identifies tuples in a relation. Clear? So what is the key here? An attribute or set of attributes that uniquely identifies tuples in a relation. What does DBMS stands for? Database Management System. What does RDBMS stands for? Relational Database Management System. How is data organized in a RDBMS? In tables, in relations. A dash is organized collection of data. Attention, may I have your attention? Bhaskar, what is an organized collection of data? Sudhir, a dash is an organized collection of data. Database. Sit down. Vaishnavi, a dash is a software package that can be used for creating, managing and databases. for creating and managing database management system. Sit down. Vasavi, a dash is database management system that is based on the relational model. RDBMS, very good. Sit down. Three popular DBMS. Niharika, three popular DBMS software are MySQL, FoxPro, Oracle. Yeah. So here we'll stop here and keep